Who is our friend? Can you guess who our best friend is? He's not like us at all, but he always helps us every day. Our best friend is Bird. He's small, smart, and kind. I'm Rhino. I get covered with fleas. Bird eats them all up. He makes me feel so much better. I'm Crocodile. I can't brush my teeth. Bird pecks them clean. Now my smile is shiny again. I'm Giraffe. I can't reach my head to scratch it. Bird can reach just the right spot. That tickles, but I love it. I'm Zebra. I can't see very far. Bird has sharp eyes, so when he's watching, I'm safe. He warns me when danger comes. Bird may be different, but that's no problem. We don't even mind when he sings. His song makes us happy. Will you be our friend too? Friends come in all shapes and sizes. What we can learn from the story. Friendship and differences. Good friends don't need to be the same. Friendship is about caring, not about being the same. Respecting differences. Being different is not bad. It can make the world a better place. Our differences make friendship more colorful. Gratitude and kindness. We should be thankful for friends who help us. Be kind to others, and you'll find friends everywhere.